Career Tech offers hands-on real-world experiences. The construction classes are a perfect example of this. Here's a look at a project the students have been working on at Tarhe Trails Elementary.
Well, we were approached by Tarhe Trails PTO to build a shed, a 12 by 16 shed for storage for the PTO and for storage for the janitors to put their snow blowers and leaf blowers and things like that, their outdoor equipment in. So we said, sure, it's a great project. We get the kids out in a real world experience. We made them on purpose, do it during the winter, because I told the guys and girls that if they can do it out in the winter, on days that were single digit, then they'll be able to handle a job like this in the real world. So,
one of the hardest things that you have to do, but you have to do it. We've been out here since November, and we stopped when we got the bad snowstorms because we couldn't work. We weathered it in. We put up the siding, the building wrap, the doors. We put roofing on it. We did the shingles. We really have just been doing all the weathering stuff to protect it from moisture and hot air. And we've been out here, I'd say 3-4 months now doing this project.